Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to change language in Instagram. So here I open Instagram. What you need to do is you need to click on your profile, then go to that three-line option. Now click on settings and then click on account and then click on language. So for now I'm just choosing one language. I'm choosing Spanish, and you can see that it's changed. You can see the language is changed. There it is. So yeah, that's how you change your language on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay tuned.